We have got our four basic forces: lift, weight, thrust, and drag, while we fly straight and level. But when it comes to turning an aircraft, there are extra forces joining the party. Now, here's where Newton's first law comes into play. It says if a body is at rest or moving at a constant speed in a straight line, it will remain at rest or keep moving in a straight line at constant speed unless it is acted upon by a force. For an aircraft, that means if it's cruising straight, it will keep doing that unless we make it do something different like turn. And guess what? Turning needs a special force. We call it centripetal force. It's like the force that helps your car take those awesome turns on a racetrack.